Good morning, students. So I hope all of you understood up to question number 14 from the exercise 12.3. So here another two questions are remain. So today we have to discuss the question number 15. As you see, here the question is given. In the given figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as a diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. As you see here, the question is given, and with this question the figure is also given here, and in this figure we have to find out the area of the shaded region. Let's start now. So as you see here, the diagram given A, B, C. First of all, if you see here, this A, B, C, this one is a quadrant here, isn't it? And with this BC is what? BC is the diameter also mentioned. So in this question, we have to find out the shaded portion of this part. Now with respect to this BC as a diameter, this portion is the semicircle, and we have to find out the area of this shaded portion. So in this case, how can we find out? Let's see first. First of all, we have to find out the area of this sector. Easily we can find out the area of the sector. Then next we have to find out the area of this triangle. This one is a right angle triangle or not? So easily we can find out the area of this triangle. So if we subtract from this sector the triangle, then which portion remain? This portion remain. And then after that, with respect to this diameter BC, if we find out the area of this semicircle, and from this semicircle if we subtract this portion, then we get the final answer. That means this shaded portion we get here. Is it clear? So that means very simple here. What you have to do? First of all, we have to find out the sector, and then we have to find out the area of the triangle, and from this sector we have to find out this triangle, and then this portion remain, and then finally we have to find out the area of semicircle, and then from there this portion if we subtract, then this shaded portion remain here. Is it clear? Okay, now let's see here how can we do this one. So as you see here written, as ABC is a quadrant, that means ABC, this one is a quadrant. So if quadrant, that means obviously this angle is how much? This angle is 90 degree. So that's why here written angle BAC equal to 90 degree. So we don't know this BC. BC as a diameter, but we don't know. The radius of this quadrant is given. This one is given how much? 14 centimeter. So our first task is we have to find out this diameter. So now if you see here, this ABC, this one is a right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, easily we can apply the Pythagoras theorem, and Pythagoras theorem is what? BC square equals to AC square plus AB square. So AC means already given 14, so that's why we write 14 square, as well as AB equal to 14 square. So if we calculate this one, BC equal to how much we get here? 14 root 2. So that means this diameter BC is how much? 14 root 2 centimeter. If base here the diameter is 14 root 2 centimeter, so easily we can find out the radius. And if we consider the radius is here R1, because already one radius here we consider, so that's why if we consider this one is R1, so diameter is if 14 root 2, then radius obviously 14 root 2 by 2. Ultimately here the radius is how much? 7 root 2 centimeter. Is it clear? If the diameter BC as a diameter already we find out, so radius is how much? 7 root 2. Okay, now after that we have to find out the area of this triangle ABC. So here this one is a right angle triangle, so we consider AC as a base and AB as a height. So area of triangle ABC equal to what we write? Half of AB into AC, base into height. So base 14, height 14, so ultimately here if we calculate this one we get 98 centimeter square, as you see written here. Isn't it? Okay, now after that we have to find out the sector A, B, D, C, this one. So sector formula we know, theta by 360 into pi r square. So here theta means what? 90 degree. 90 by 360 into pi means we can write 22 by 7 as you see in this question given, and radius is how much? 14. So 14 square, that means 14 into 14. After that if we calculate this one, 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. If we calculate this one, finally we get 154 centimeter square. So two portions we find out here, isn't it? Now from this sector if we subtract area of triangle, then this portion we get. Now we need the area of this semicircle. So next we have to find out the area of semicircle. The area of semicircle with respect to this BC equals to half of pi r square, because it is semicircle. So pi means 22 by 7 and radius already we find out at first 7 root 2. So 7 root 2 whole square. So if we calculate this one, 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 root 2 whole square means how much? 98. Ultimately if we calculate this one, 154 centimeter square. So finally we have to find out this shaded portion. So how can we find out this shaded portion? Semicircle minus this portion. So that's why as you see here written, area of shaded region equals to area of semicircle minus then the subtraction of these two. That's why here written area of sector ABCD minus area of triangle ABC. So 154 minus within bracket 154 minus 98, and this one we get here finally the answer is 98 centimeter square. Is it clear? Understood? So I hope all of you understood this one. So one more question remain here, question number 16, which one we have to complete in our next class. So 12.1, 12.2, 12.3 here, up to 12.3, up to question number 15 we have done. So your task is what? You have to copy each and every question properly. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you.